Hi everyone, I'm Lucy and a happy 9th of December. Welcome to the 5th day of Vlogmas. Today we are going to be talking about flat Christmas dinners. Flat Christmas dinners can be one of the best ways to socialise with your flat, so make sure you invite everyone. Also, by having everyone there, each person can take a different dish. This means that there should be something at the table that you like. Instead of having a whole roast that you have to wait a while to cook, one of the cheapest dishes you can make is a stew. With a stew, you can easily make it meat, vegetarian, vegan and gluten-free. Also, if you have a busy schedule, you could easily pop it all in the slow cooker and leave it all day. A great way to make the roast vegetables taste just like the ones from back at home. Simply use mixed herbs and roast potato season all the vegetables. This will make them much more tastier and great to go with gravy. Just remember that not everyone celebrates Christmas in the same way you do. Many different cultures have different ways of celebrating different things around the same time as Christmas. So just respect what some of your flatmates may want to do or might not want to do. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure you go follow us on all our social medias, and I hope you enjoy your flat Christmas meals. Merry Christmas!